In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a free account so that you can be listed on our business directory. As you can see that some of the newest members appear on this front page. So let me show you how to create a free account. The first thing you want to do is to go to where it says join now, or you can click on where it says list your business. Once you click on that, you'll be taken to a page with different payment options. And since you're focusing on creating the free account, this is what you get for the free basic account. And some of the premium features include having us, our team, working on your paid advertising and doing video productions about your business and writing an article. And there's so many benefits when you do an upgraded version. But for this purpose of the video, we're going to be focusing on the basic plan. And once you do that, you have to click on select. Clicking on select will take you to a page like this one. And all you have to do is to enter your email address. And then you enter your email address again. Make sure that you create your password and confirm the password again. You also have to select these terms and conditions, and you can read our terms and conditions. In order for you to proceed with your registration, you need to click on where it says I'm not a robot, and sometimes a pop-up may show that ask you to do a picture challenge. Once that is done, you click on create my profile, and then you wait for the website to process your account. So there is an email that has been sent to you, and mind you, this email may land in the spam folder. Some of the people may decide to just click on continue. So if you click on continue, you're going to get a banner here that says you need to activate your account. You will be able to do a couple of things here, but your profile will not be shown on the business directory. Your profile will not be shown as one of the businesses until you activate your account. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go in my email now, and then as you can see, this is the email that is landed in my inbox. All I have to do is to either click here that says verify my email address, or this link here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click this. Once I click on that, that banner is going to disappear. So the first thing that I'm actually going to come to right now is the basic information, which I'm going to fill right now. So here I'm going to fill in my name, and then I'm going to fill in my surname. Here I'm going to put in my phone number, and then here I'm going to put my company name, then my position, marketing director. And then for some of you, you may get stuck in terms of writing the short description. I'm going to show you a tool that you can use to help you write a short description. As you can see here, it says it only has 170 character limit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that. And on this option, I have to select describes you. Okay, so you need to select one. So that's financial service. So this is a professional service. And then type of listing. So I need to be listed. I have a choice to list myself as a personal, individual, or I can list myself as an organization. So back to the short description, all I have to do is to click on where it says 170 character limit. And what I'm going to do is to go to this application. Okay, on this application, it's one of the tools that I use, which is called ChatGPT. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to write about me. I am a online marketing. So I'm gonna use another prompt again. I'll say write 170 character limit about me. I am a digital marketer based in Zimbabwe. Okay, so you write about the services that you want to offer, and you're just gonna hit enter. So what this is going to do is going to write the character limit that you need. Instead of trying to think what to write here, I've just used this. So now I'm gonna come back here to the profile, and then what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna put the word. So as you can see that there is a red, that means I've actually exceeded my limit. So I'm going to read again: experienced digital marketer in Zimbabwe, proficient in online marketing, SEO, social media management. I'll just remove social media. Let me just remove management. Let's see. If I remove management, then I'm on green now. It simply means that all is good. And then here you can actually put your address, okay, your business address, or you could say Harare, Zimbabwe. That's all. If you want to be specific, you can go ahead and put your business address here. And then here, postal code. In most cases, leave blank if your country does not use. In most cases, for people in Zimbabwe, they don't use these. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna put in my website. I'm gonna put my website. Okay, and then if you need to put your booking link, if you are taking bookings, if you have a blog, if you have Facebook, so what you do is, my Facebook is https, that's facebook.com/Kuda online. Okay, so for some of you who don't know how to search this, all you have to do is to go onto your Facebook and then click on your Facebook page name. Once you do that, you're going to see that this is the Facebook URL that you're supposed to take. And then on your WhatsApp number, all you have to do, the instructions, you have to put https and then semicolon, or you can copy that. Let me just copy this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste it here, and then I'm going to put my phone number. So I say 263-773-402-900. I'm going to put also, if I have all these social media links, I can just add them there. So remember, this is the first step of the 4-step process. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to hit save and continue. And once I continue, I have to upload a logo or a business profile and make sure that it's actually square. It's 400 pixel by 400 pixel. Now I'm going to upload my photo, and I'm going to click on choose image, and I'm going to go to my downloads. So if I go to my downloads, I'm going to search for my name, and I'll find the profile that I need to use. Probably I'm going to take this one. Then I'm going to wait for it to upload, and then I can resize where I need to crop. Once that is done, I have to click on where it says click crop and confirm upload. Once that is done, you have to click on next section. On the next section, this is where you're supposed to select a category about your business. So I'm into marketing, personal assistant, public relations, virtual assistant. So, and then I choose the type of business that I'm in. So basically for me, that's marketing. And just because I'm on a free account, I'm only limited to select one of these categories. And then when you come here, you're going to notice that you can leave this blank if you want, or if you want this to appear on your page, you can actually enter that. So my motto is to know the road ahead, ask those coming back. That's my motto. And then here, established in, I established this business in around 2013. Work hours online, I'll say 24/7. So you put the hours of work that you do. Mode of payments, I'll say Stripe, PayPal, and transfer. Some people use transfer, yeah. If you have a company profile, you can add your company profile there. It could be a PDF so that visitors can download your company profile. In this case, I don't have one. I'm just going to click on continue and save. Now, I have to explain more in detail about my business. So if I'm going to click on where it says business directory, you will be able to see that I'm now appearing as one of the business listings. So if I click on here, I'll be able to see myself there, but I need to add the about section. So I'm going to go back here. If I come back here, so now a lot of you may actually struggle to find what to write here. I then go back to that application again, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to say write about me, write about my services. So what I encourage you to do before you do this, what I encourage you to do is to go on Google and search for digital, let's say digital marketers in Zimbabwe. So what you have to do is that you have to what you have to do here is basically to do what is known as keyword research. So I'm going to do a little bit of a teaching. Since I'm a digital marketer, I'm going to show you this trick. So digital marketers in. So as you can see that there is digital marketing in Zimbabwe, digital marketing in Zimbabwe PDF, digital marketing courses, digital marketing platform, digital marketing schools in Zimbabwe. So what you have to do is that digital marketing service providers in Zimbabwe. So what you have to do is that you have to put the specialty and then you say in. You can say in the city or you can say in Harare, okay, or comma Zimbabwe. So basically this is your keyword. Okay, so if you're into dog selling, you can say dog selling in Harare, Zimbabwe, or you can say dog selling in Zimbabwe. And then you go to this application again. Now you're doing another prompt. Okay, you're doing another prompt to say write. You say I need to write about me on a directory website. I am a digital marketer. Make sure you include these keywords. Okay, so you can put 2 keywords. So that's digital marketers in Zimbabwe. Okay, digital marketers in Zimbabwe. You can include this keyword. So you can include 2. So let's say you're into different service providing. So maybe you could say you are web designer. I could say web design in Zimbabwe. Okay, so basically what I am saying here is that I'm telling this system to write 2 keywords in the about section, and then I'm just gonna hit enter. Okay, so this is what has been written. Hi, I'm a professional, blah blah blah. So I'm gonna say expand, please. I would say write a long one a bit. So this is a little bit small because there is no character limit. So there we go. Hello, my name is, as you can see, this is a very long description about the service that I do. And then yeah, that's done. And then all I have to do is to copy that, and then I'm gonna come here, and then I'm gonna come here, and then I'm gonna paste that. So I'm just gonna format this. Just gonna format this, and also I'm gonna read actually. So as you can see here, it says hello, my name is. This says, I'm gonna say Kola Online. I'm dedicated digital marketer hailing from a vibrant city of Zimbabwe. So I couldn't have thought of that myself. Hailing from the vibrant city of with passion of all things digital, I specialize in helping businesses establish strong online presence. As you can see, this is a well-written profile that I've actually just written there. And then when that is done, you don't have to do anything else. Make sure that this is only text, and then you just hit continue and save. So when that is done, you're going to see that all these steps are green. And if I'm going to come to my profile, as you see, if I can go on the business directory, now I can see myself as one of the members here. So as you can see, I've got my about section, and if people want to get in touch with me, they just click there and to send a message to say contact downline. And then if I can, so as you can see that now I'm actually listed on this website. So if I go to members directory, you're going to notice that there is me here, but there is a bit of limits, because here there is view listing, and then there is send message. On other profiles there is see phone number. So what's the difference? Let's actually have a look. So if I click on my listing, this is what you can see, that I do have overview, and then I have specialty. I only have one there, and then I've got send message. But if you go to this profile, there is an option that there is a video. Okay, there's a video that has been added there. If you go to overview, there is also, if you scroll down, there is the WhatsApp link, and then the C phone number. There is a right review, and then there is a phone number as well. So what this simply means is that this person is on a different package, which is a higher tier. Okay, again, if I go here, you can notice that this person also added a video, and clients can actually come and leave testimonies, which is a different. There's more that can be done for you if you have an upgraded account. At any given time, if you so choose to upgrade your account, you can click on what it says change membership. Other than that, this is what you get for a free account, and we're going to be promoting your business as well, and you'll be able to connect with other entrepreneurs. If you have any questions for me, please leave a comment in the comment section below, and I've added the resources of the tool that I was using when was doing all these text things. And the free account does not expire, it is free forever. Thank you, and if you have any questions for me, leave a comment in the comment section below, and bye for now.